Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, we're going to talk about the latest Google AdSense update where they have talked about YouTube payments account. So I received an email earlier on saying that a new way to manage and view your YouTube earnings. So they're going to start this in March, and then from March onwards, they'll be rolling this out to different creators or AdSense users within next few months. So it might not come to you straight away in March. So you might get this later on in next few months. Now the update is that from March onwards, you will be seeing a new YouTube payments account option within your Google AdSense account, where your YouTube earnings will be posted. And if you are only earning from YouTube, then your earnings will show up within the YouTube payments account. And if you're earning from multiple other options as well, like from a blog or a website, then your YouTube payments account will be separate, and then your other Google AdSense earnings or payments will be in a separate account within Google AdSense. So it seems like they are just separating the the YouTube earnings from the other Google AdSense earnings. Now, it doesn't change anything for the creators. Like you don't need to do anything in order to make these changes. It will automatically be applied. Now, you might be wondering where you'll be able to see this. If we look at the Google AdSense page here, on the left side, you get these options, and then it seems like under the payments section, you will have an option of YouTube payments account. And then there might be another section saying normal payments account or Google AdSense payments account. So whatever you'll be getting from March onwards, or your current YouTube earnings, those will be posted into your YouTube payments account from here or from March onwards when you'll get this option. And your previous earnings, which you've earned so far from YouTube, those will still stay with your Google AdSense account. So it seems like they are trying to create a different account for each of the payments to differentiate how much you're earning from YouTube and from other sources. So this is the update for today. This is the Google AdSense latest update on the 19th of January. The email was received earlier today. If you're a creator, you must have received this as well. So you can check it in your email section, or I can just scroll it down all the way from up to bottom, and you can pause the video to just read this in detail. So this is the update. Hope this was helpful and informational. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.